Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a blue car. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen to draw the car. I have left those spaces for the wheels of the car. This is the back glass of the car. This is the front glass of the car. Now let's draw a curved line here. Using my ruler, I'm drawing a straight line. This is the windows of the car. Here's the looking glass. Draw two tiny lines and let's connect them. Here is the signal light. And here's another one. Now I'm using my compass with my black pen in it to draw the car's wheel. Now I will draw a small circle inside it. I need to dot two more tiny circles inside this one, so I have to be so much careful about that. Wow, it's beautiful! My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using the same black pen in its wheel. Now I'm using my blue pen. For the lights, I'm using a red pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.